Hi, my name is Marcelo Cabral from BlueFX.net. Thank you for buying this last template called Kinetic promo, and I'm here to show you how to customize this template in the most fast, easy, and efficient way. So let's move on. In the delivery folder that you receive, you will find this folder, which contains 4 different color setting projects for you to choose from. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will use this one. So open this project by double-click, please. Okay, here we are. Let me show you first what you will find in the project manager. This is the main composition which we are seeing in the timeline. In the 00 You Change folder you have all the customizable composition related with animation, image or video placeholders, all the text line, your logo, and another composition which I will explain to you just a little bit forward. The other comps folder contain all the composition which we used to build this project, and they are not customizable. In the other resolution folder you have the same 00 main composition, but in all these different resolutions. Now let's see the timeline. As you see, you have 2 different layers, which all these marks indicating where are all the composition related with text, like this mark which show you where exactly are the text lines 01, 02, and 03, the 04 and 04 text line, and the text line 06 as well. Graphics like the G01 mark, which means graphic 01 and graphic 02, and graphic 03, and so on. Or video placeholder like video 01, video 02, testimonial text, and your logo with your tagline or slogan. Besides this, you have all these new layers which will help you to move or reposition the text layer if you don't want to use any animated graphics with the text. The name of every null is the number of the text line related with that null. Okay, now it's time to make some changes. I will start changing this text line. So I will move the indicator over this 01, 02, 03 mark. To change all this text line, I will open from the 00 You Change folder the line 01, line 02, and line 03 composition. I will select the line 01 and I will change the text by retyping a new one. I will do the same for the other text composition. Okay, done. Let's see how this looks in the main composition. As you see, it's really easy, and the process to customize the text is quite the same for the rest of the text compositions. Now let's play around with some graphics. I will move the indicator over this 06 text and graphic 01 mark. You already know how to change this text, but in the case of the graphics, which is accompanying the text, is a little bit different. Let's open first the animation graphic 01 composition from the 00 You Change folder. Okay, here we are. As you see, you have 20 animation graphic sequences for you to choose from, and a chart composition to customize your own evolution graphic chart. To show some of this animation, you only need to click in this eye icon right here. Let me show you. All these layers are animation made to illustrate the concept, idea, or information of the text. So you have here a gear, a rigging phone, a man walking with suitcase, even a graphic down animation for bad business evolution, and a graphic up animation for good evolutions. But besides this, you have this composition to show your own graphic by setting the values of your own business evolution. To customize this graphic, open from the 00 You Change folder the U Chart composition. Once you are inside, move the indicator over this chart setting mark and select the layer. Now to set up your values here, just move this mask node to the right position. Let me show you how. Okay, done. Let's see how this looks in the Animation Graphics 01 composition. Now, let's see how this looks in the main composition. Let's see another graphic example. First, move the indicator over this Graphics 02 mark and open the Animation Graphics 02 from the 00U Change folder. Okay, let's suppose that you need a different animation to illustrate your text. So besides all these files, you can build a different animation by combining some of these sequences. Let me show you how. I will make a simple combination using this layer. This one, and this other one. I will make some little adjustments. As you see, it's really easy to build your own animation by combining some of the sequences already included in this project. Now, let's modify the logo composition. First, move the indicator over this mark at the end of the timeline to see the composition. To add your logo here, open from the 00U Change folder the Your Logo composition. Once you are inside, drag to the timeline your logo file and try to keep it inside these guidelines. I have our logo here and I will drag it to the timeline. I will hide the text and let's see how this looks in the main composition. To change the slogan, open the Your Slogan composition from the 00U Change folder. Select the text and change it. Now I will show you how to add an image or video to this video placeholder. First, move the indicator over this video 01 mark and open from the 00U Change folder the image video 01 composition. Once you are inside, drag here your image or video. In the case of the video, you have this in and out reference to keep visible the part of the video that you want to show. Let's do it. Okay, done. Let's see how this looks in the main composition. Okay, now let's talk about texture and colors. This textures composition contains 3 texture images for you to choose from. I will show you. This is the current background texture, but you can choose a different one, hiding or unhiding these other layers using this eye icon right here. Let's choose this one, and let's see how this looks in the main composition. Now, I will show you how to customize the color of this project. To do that, I will open the Colors composition and the Business Palette image from the 00U Change folder. This color palette was made using Business Color Combination. Each line is a different color setting. So to use this combination, select the layer that you want to change, and from the Fill effect in the Effect control, use this eyedropper tool to take the color from the palette image. Let me show you. Let's see how this looks in the main composition. Okay, now you already know that you need to customize this project by your own. My name is Marcelo Cabral from bluefx.net. If you have any question about this template, please feel free to contact our support team at bluefx.net. It was my pleasure, and I hope to see you again in the next tutorial. Bye.